Hey, this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Yesterday we showed you just how simple it was to cook broccoli in the Ninja Speedi using the steam feature, and today we're going to follow this up by showing you how to do the same thing but with broccolini. So I always think of this as broccolini, but in the UK they actually call it tender stem broccoli. So whether you call it broccolini or tender stem, it's just perfect for cooking. And you get a decent sized pack there, so I'm only going to use half this pack in this steamed recipe. But it's another great vegetable that you can learn how to cook using your Ninja Speedi or another multi-cooker, and it's just quick and easy for throwing it in and getting it cooked for dinner. And of course it takes a while to cook it, so by steaming it, it's just a quick way of doing it. So, shall we get started? So first of all, open up your pack, and first of all you need some water, but a lesson on steaming using kitchen gadgets is to make sure you use cold water, because if it's hot or if your cooking pot's still hot from the previous food, then it won't steam, it'll just start counting down straight away and your food will be raw. So get your crisp plate out, pour in your cup of water. Cup of water in the UK is the equivalent of 240ml. I got this with one of my kitchen gadgets, don't ask me which one, I can't remember, because we've got a few multi-cookers. So new to the family, we've had the Speedi, we've had the Instant Pot with the air crisp on it, and we've had the Ninja 15-in-1, so it was one of those. I would think the Instant Pot, but who knows. Either way, just use one of the regular cups that you can get, or you can just measure it out in a jug to 240ml if you're in the UK. And then, like I said, I'm not going to do all of this broccolini. I'm just going to do about half, so that I can leave half for another recipe. So you can just layer it out there on your chopping board. If you want to remove some of the ends, you can do so. So if you just want to trim a little bit off the end of them, then you can. And then what I like to do is pop them in as I'm chopping them. So you want to add in your crisp plate. Note that these need to be pressed down, because otherwise it will go into tall position and not short. So just make sure it's properly down first, and then you can start adding in your broccolini bit by bit. Some of these bits won't need trimming, it just depends on where you bought it from and the quality of it. So just try and aim for one nice layer of it, and then it's just a brilliant side dish. If you just want a quick way to do your vegetables using your kitchen gadgets, then nothing beats this. And then it's up to you. Do you want to season now? You can add in some salt, some pepper, and then we can get cooking, can't we? So lid down. You want to turn it on, you want to be set to steam, and for broccolini I prefer it at 10 minutes, but if you've got thinner strips of it you may prefer 8 minutes, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped. So shall we check on the broccolini and see how it's done? Oh wow, now that is a lot of steam. Give me a moment to de-steam, and then I can show you what the broccolini is like. So we've let the steam reduce so that we can show you what this lovely broccolini looks like. And wow, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Fork tender broccolini, and the thing about it is it's one of those recipes where it's so easy to get it hard and crispy too soon, you know, or not fork tender. So just by steaming it like this, it's just a really quick and simple way to do broccolini using your Ninja Speedi. And if you have the 15-in-1 steam setting on this, same applies if you have an instant pot as well. It doesn't have to be just for the Speedi. But isn't that a great first that you can do in the Speedi? Just think that's your vegetables ready for dinner, and then you can crack on with adding in some meat or some fish. So what we're going to do next, so tomorrow, on the next day of our series, we're actually going to be showing you the grill feature so that you can do the fish and the veg at the same time. And I mean, that is going to be epic. And if you've not done so already and you're serious about learning, don't forget to check out the other videos in this series and head over to kitchengadgetsclub.com where you'll find all these recipes. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.